When I was growing up, I lived in Punjab in India, my birthplace. My memories come alive as I journey back to my childhood village. I have journeyed halfway around the world to discover how life is today. Punjab is one of the 28 states in India situated in the country's northwest. There are about 80 million Punjabi-speaking people all over the world. Out of those, approximately 25 million live in this part of Indian Punjab. My daily life as a boy in Punjab consisted of rising at dawn, taking a fresh water bath at the well, and having my morning breakfast, yogurt, buttermilk and chapatis, cooked over a cow dung fire. I walked to the primary school where I studied basic languages, mathematics, history and geography. Our values were based on our faith, and life revolved around family. Today, as I travel on the famous and much written about Grand Trunk Road from New Delhi, I remember when this road had only 2 lanes. Once the longest road in Asia, it still winds through hundreds of towns and villages from Peshawar in Pakistan to Calcutta in India. The road, built hundreds of years ago, remains even today a vital lifeline for Punjab, connecting it with the rest of the country. The bulk of the population of India used to live in villages. Over 500,000 of them dotted the map. These villages had uniform kind of habitation and were complete community units, self-sufficient, supporting everybody who lived there. The recent trend in urbanization and globalization have also brought about changes in rural life. While Indian villages are eager to adapt to new ways, they are also careful in maintaining their old traditions. They continue to live both in the past and the present at the same time. Agriculture, the chief commercial activity of Punjab, has undergone changes since I was a boy. Though relatively a small state, only 1.53% area of India produced 12.2% of total food grown in India in 2001 for India's 1 billion people.